everybody, welcome back to Baseline Farms. My name is Jade and this is Max, and he is with the California Beekeepers. Right, Max?
Yeah.
So what are we doing today?
We are going to feed the animals today
And play.
play.
So we are off this morning to feed the animals. We were up so early and it has been super foggy. And the fog has now cleared up a little bit, and now we're off to go feed some animals. So let's go do this. So Max is inside eating some pancakes, and I just wanted to give you a quick tour of what's happening on the farm. So the barn is looking so good. So I don't know if anyone remembers, the bottom of this barn was literally just, I don't even know how the thing was standing up, but look at that. It is looking so nice. So we're gonna paint all of this red, and then the little trim is just gonna be painted white. But it's looking so nice. Look at that. And I already have some seedlings popping up. So let me go and show you in the trailer, but I think I need to drop the lights a little lower. So let me show you what's happening inside the trailer, because I can't believe there's already seedlings. So let me show you right here. Look at all the cauliflower and broccoli. And then I have some sweet peppers in this row. I believe this row and this one have sweet peppers. But do you see how kind of long they are? So it looks like I'm gonna have to drop these lights down just a tad. And then I noticed over here, there's some snow peas. So a bunch of little snow peas. Look how easy that was. I just planted these. So that's awesome. But, oh, and this one. And this one, I did see a little seed. I think it was somewhere. It was I thought maybe it was this one. I don't know. There was one in there that I thought I saw. But it looked so high in the soil, so I kind of like pushed it down a little bit. But there was nothing on the tomatoes. See, this one is a little higher. I'm using a little booster seed on it. But yeah, I think I'm going to drop the lights down a little lower, just so that way they're not so long like this. So I'm going to do that later on today. But for right now, let me just go show you everything that's going on. The garden is going to be worked on probably sometime next week, and I'm super excited, especially now that I have some cauliflower popping up. But let me give you a good look at what the garden's looking like right now. It's a hot mess. So I'm gonna have we have a little green tuff shed that I'm gonna put right there in the center, and that's gonna be my new seed starting room. But this is what it's looking like right now. It's hard to believe that this is gonna be full of produce in the summertime, but I'm excited. So these are all of our flowers that go into different job sites. Those are a bunch of snapdragons that haven't bloomed yet. Let's see what else. Oh, the peas are looking really nice. And you can see the dog, when the dogs come into the garden, they just have no care and just trample right there in there. So when the garden is done and producing, no animals are allowed to go in there. But let's see, I think that's pretty much it. We've had a pretty busy weekend. My daughter had some horse lessons, and yesterday she's learning how to ride our quarter horse Bella. We're gonna hopefully ride her in a parade, so that's gonna be exciting. And then I've harvested so many carrots from this little garden on vine. I'll show you how it's doing. The broccoli's looking pretty good. So let me show you. So here's the broccoli, and that's looking pretty good. The purple broccoli is looking really nice. And then we've harvested a bunch of this lettuce and a bunch of carrots. These are our onions, and you can see they're finally growing. So I know I had a lot of onions now that I know what onions look like, because this is my first time growing onions. I thought they were weeds, and so I was pulling them out. So that's why I don't have that many onions. And I don't know what I was thinking. They looked like weeds, like little pieces of grass. So this is the lettuce bed. This is some spinach, and it's actually doing pretty good. It was pretty frosty this morning. The garlic is looking really nice. And let's see what else. Here are the shallots. Look at that. Those are looking so good. Here's some more carrots, and these are looking nice also. The elephant garlic in the back is growing. And then over here on this side, we have a bunch of green onion right in here, and then some more carrots. And these I planted all on January 15th. And this is a few more carrots right in there, and then my mixed greens filled with spinach and some butter lettuce and things like that. So yeah, we are cleaning up around here, getting ready. John is out laying some bark at one of the job sites right now. And yeah, we're just trying to clean up and hopefully get this place painted soon, because it's almost ready for paint. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and take care, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.